screw here. I believe I gotta take out. I've never taken this apart. Oh, yeah, this is, it's on here, tight. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Oh, alright. So, it's one of those. Wait a minute, I gotta take this out here. And then, I can remove this. There we go. And clean up that spring. Now, while I have this apart, I'm going to go ahead and sharpen this blade. I'm going to use some stones. That way I can get way up in here without having, you know, an obstacle. I actually forgot. I'm wasting my time. I just bought an ultrasonic cleaner, and why am I here using a Q-tip? Alright, let me go set this up. Let me go put it into the ultrasonic, clean her up, and she'll be good as new.
Nice.
Alright, pretty much clean. I'm going to assemble it. Hopefully I remember how it goes back. Got some Loctite. Alright, so I think it was this first. And then this here was here, like this. Right? And then the spring, I don't remember if it went this way. Wait, that's common sense. There we go. Yeah. Like that. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do it like this. Put it like this. Stretch. Here. Go up. Click it in. There we go. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit of oil over here. I think that'll help. Actually, no, that'll be alright. Just gonna add some over here. Alright. Place it here. There you go. Okay. Oh, you know, I already messed up. Forgot the blade, right? But actually, does the blade go... Yeah, it goes inside. Let me take this back out. Now, how does this go? How does this go? So it must be here. This catches on here? I guess so. Oh, you know what? I didn't put oil in there. Let me add some in here. Okay. Like so. There we go. I like that. This is going to be pressed in. And then down. Oh, okay. Now I'm seeing how this is working. This grabs down here. Okay. Oh, right there. Okay. Wipe my hands off here. Next. I'm gonna add some oil over here. Shits and giggles. Give me a second. Don't really need to. Okay. So now, cover goes on. And I'm going to place the button. As you can see, I ground it off a bit. Right there. Loctite. Place it in there. I want to make sure it works before I assemble it. It should. You press it out. Okay, I'm going to press down, hold it. Oh yeah, good, okay. And now, oh, I keep forgetting, I'm going to put it this way, watch. Fast way of doing this. Part of my voice, I don't know what's going on. That's why I haven't been talking much. It's a mess. It's either going or changed. Definitely don't sound the same. This OTF is very worn, very used. But you know what? The blade is in immaculate condition. Surprised it hasn't been sharpened ever. And yeah, it's the only reason why I grabbed it. This thing weighs a little bit. I think it weighs 5 point something ounces. Clean it up. I was going to sharpen the blade out of its handle, but you know what? I changed my mind. It's just going to be slippery and be all over the place. So that's how it's looking. Looking pretty good, other than the worn out coating. But you know what? I like it. It gives a character. I went with a, what was it? It was about 1500 grit sandpaper and scuffed it all up. Match it here and there. Now it's going to be nice and smooth. Let's see. Ooh, my finger's slippery. It's slipping here. Okay. Oh yeah. Very nice. Never been sharpened. The coating has been off. Has 2 nicks, and these nicks are a little bit of rust. I polished it out. Right there, D2.